Right. So, how does machine learning fit into the world of data science? One example is the financial sector and banks in particular. They have ginormous data sets of credit card transactions. Unfortunately, banks are facing issues with fraud daily. They are tasked with preventing fraudsters from acquiring customer data, and in order to keep customers' funds safe, they use machine learning algorithms. They take past data, and because they can tell the computer which transactions in their history were legitimate and which were found to be fraudulent, they can label the data as such. So, through supervised learning, they train models that detect fraudulent activity. When these models detect even the slightest probability of theft, they flag the transactions and prevent the fraud in real time. Although no one in the sector has reached a perfect solution, the impact of machine learning algorithms has been groundbreaking. Another example of using supervised machine learning with labeled data can be found in client retention. A focus of any business, be it a global supermarket chain or an online clothing shop, is to retain its customers. But the larger a business grows, the harder it is to keep track of customer trends. A local corner shop owner will recognize and get to know their most loyal customers. They will offer them exclusive discounts to thank them for their custom and, by doing so, keep them returning. On a larger scale, companies can use machine learning and past labeled data to automate the practice. And with this, they can know which customers may purchase goods from them. This means the store can offer discounts and a personal touch in an efficient way, minimizing marketing costs and maximizing profits. With this video, we close the two biggest rows of our infographic, having explained the main techniques used for working with data and data science and their application. See you in the next section.